Gonzalo Luchetti, head of U.S. personal banking at Citi, and also one of the bell ringers. You were just on the bell podium. This is your first time at the New York Stock Exchange. How are you feeling?
I can't believe it. Primero, mucho gusto y muchas gracias. It's amazing. It's amazing to be here representing Citi and representing the Hispanic and Latino community, and I couldn't believe that, having been born in Argentina, we're here at this historic building.
I know, I loved your story in the boardroom, but talk to me more about how Citi, as a business, is really uplifting the Hispanic and Latino community.
Well, thank you. No, well, first of all, honored to be here with our Hispanic and Latino members of Citigroup. Obviously, as the leading global bank, we have a big responsibility, I think, in order to use our platform to promote diversity and inclusion in our culture and in our communities. And we have about 14,000 plus members of our Hispanic and Latino community here in the U.S. as employees, beyond obviously a lot more around the world. And I think bringing people together, both in terms of employees and as well as our customers, and enabling them, that's one of the biggest things that we do.
What other work is Citi and the Citi Foundation doing to help the Hispanic community?
Yeah, there's multiple components to what Citi does. One of them is the Citi Foundation that invests in some nonprofits that are Latino-driven. But we also have our diverse financial institutions group, which connects with MDIs. We also have within my business our financial inclusion and racial equity, which is one of my top priorities. And what we try to do is provide access to banking, to credit, and to home ownership products to diverse communities. This is part of uplifting the communities and the underserved ones especially.
What about business leaders, CEOs, entrepreneurs? How are you uplifting these businesses in the sector?
Well, thank you. Well, part of it is through our engagement through our business and our communities and giving access to people to financial services. And the second big part is what we do with our employees, where we provide mentorships, affinity networks, and development programs for Latinos and for Hispanic employees. I've been a beneficiary of that. That's probably why I'm here as well. And I've been the beneficiary of being enabled by Citi. I've been at Citi for 18 years. And through whether it was Latino senior executives or Americans or global people, since we are a very global bank, that enablement and that pursuit of merit and of diversity is something that is very close to our heart.
Amazing. Well, I'll let you join your team. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Trinity. I appreciate it.
Take care.